Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off keyboard sound settings in Vivo Pad SE or Pad 5. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon.